Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to align the paragraph or sentence on your LibreOffice on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to align the paragraph or text or sentence in your LibreOffice site, I just going to show. So for that, I just going to copy about a LibreOffice writer from the Wikipedia. So now I just going to align this. Select the sentence or paragraph you just need to align on the page. Now you have this alignment option on the top. You can see this is align left, it's Control L, and if you just need to align center, it's Control E. You can see it's aligned based on the center of the page. And then you just need to have a right hand Control O, so which will be have the straight line on the right side. And if you just need to make a justified, it's a Control J, which you can have the straight line on the both side. If you just align on the left, you have the straight line on the left side. If you just align on the right, you have the straight line on the right side. You have a justified, which will have an alignment on the both side, have a straight line. We just make it on the center. This is how we just align the paragraph or text or anything on your LibreOffice site. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.